In an age frozen by time, when the world was locked beneath endless ice, 12 survivors walked into the unknown, led by a man whose courage glowed like fire in the cold. The air was sharp, the sky pale, and the ground stretched endlessly in white. Their footsteps cracked the old ice as they moved forward, unsure of what waited at the end of this frozen path. At the front walked their leader, calm, steady, and fearless.
Symbols live. They hold the memories of the ancients. It matches the tablet exactly.
The glaciers are shifting again. The signs are clear. We must reach the pass before the blizzard closes it. Move!
After weeks in the storm, the runes reveal the path. The journey is long, but the prophecy holds true.
Look! The weapons of our ancestors. They fought here. Hurry! The wind is rising!
We are almost there. Push on.
Easy now. Let the warmth sink in. You are safe here by the fire.
Look to the walls. The spirits demand we move deeper now, before the ice claims us all.
These carvings, they tell of the prophecy. Our dangerous journey was foretold long ago. Inside a gigantic ice cave, walls glowing blue from ancient minerals. The 12 tribes.
This is the story of 12 survivors, led by a single flame in the endless cold. A story of faith, bravery, and the power of standing together in an age of ice.